Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to customize your Android home screen. To customize your Android home screen, especially if you're using a Samsung device, follow these steps. Go ahead and long press on an empty area of your home screen to bring up options for wallpapers, widgets, settings, and more. Tap on Home Screen Settings or the gear icon if it appears. The exact label might vary depending on the launcher you're using. Look for an option labeled Grid Size or Home Screen Grid. Here, you can choose the number of rows and columns of icons you wish to display on your home screen. Increase the grid size to fit more apps. Then tap Done when you are finished. Some Android versions let you adjust the size of your icons. On the home screen, these options are typically found in the same menu where you adjust the grid size. Now, choose your desired size and tap on Done to apply the changes. Now, either from the home screen settings or by long pressing on the home screen itself, you can add widgets. Widgets are useful for getting quick information and accessing apps frequently without opening them. By following these steps, you can efficiently customize your Android home screen to better suit your needs and preferences. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.